Okay, haven't posted a video for a while, so I want to do an update on my Japanese maple. And 5 months ago, I kind of introduced you to this really special Japanese maple. This is called Ahana Matwa, and you can see the leaves here. And it go pretty, almost like double the size. Look, looking pretty good. But I'm gonna show you this Japanese maple here that I earlier about 5 months ago, and it survived the winter. The leaves kind of back out, so you see a lot of roots. So what I'm gonna do today is I'm gonna do a quick repot. I'm gonna take these out. And remember the way how I scooted the pot into the crossbar here and tie this in so it held steady and it's to provide better support. All right, so we'll see. There's a lot of roots. See, this is after I cut it off, and I'll put in, this is all PMOS dirt, and roots are just everywhere. So, and I think it's big enough that it's can go into the bigger pot this year. So I'm gonna use this bigger pot. And again, I want to remind you that when you repot, unless you got a lot of root exposure on the top, else put in new dirt, the same level with the original dirt level. You don't have to fill it up more. In this case here, I'm gonna fill it up a little bit because we can see here there's quite a bit of root exposed on top here. You see that, right? All right. So this pot should be steady, and I'm gonna put in some dirt. And again, I basically kind of mix my own dirt for this purpose. I'm gonna put some more. Let's see. I'll put this dirt here. Yeah. Oh, I should have done this in the beginning. Put on my gloves. So what I do is I shake the container and also use a stick, kind of compress it down. Add some more on top. So after I add some more water, what it does is it's gonna saturate the dirt, and it's gonna settle down a little bit more. And I'll press it down a little bit more And if it's too low, then I'm gonna add some more dirt. But this is the level I want to be. You know, I have the rim here up a little bit. That way, when I put in water, it's not overflow easily. You usually only need to repot the Japanese maple like once every 3 to 5 years. They don't have a lot of roots, but this one is good enough for another 3 years easily. So, and that's it. That's how you repot Japanese maple. Hope you enjoyed the video. Take care. Thanks. Bye.